What are these? Ice cream sticks. How many ice cream sticks are there in my hand? 9 are there. All are separated. 9 ice cream sticks are there. Now I want to add one more ice cream stick to this. Now how many it became? 10. So every time I can't add one more and count it as 11, one more, count it as 12. It will take lot of time for me. That's why what I am doing? I am making 10 ice cream sticks as a bundle. Now one bundle means how many ice cream sticks are there in this? Without counting this, I can tell you. So 10 are there in this. Now 10, 1, 11, 10, 2, 12. And now total how many ice cream sticks are there? Without counting. By seeing the bundle you have to say 10, 10, 20. So here these ice cream sticks are separated. So these are called units. Whatever the numbers, whatever the blocks are separate. These are called units. So 10 units. Here in this bundle, how many sticks are there? How many units are there? 10 are there. So 10 units make 1 10. How many ones make 10? 10 ones make 1 10. Means one bundle of 10. So here, see children, here all these are units because here separate blocks are there. These are units. How many are there? 9 are there. 9 ones are there. If we add to these 9 ones one more 1, so it will become 10. So all these will become 1 10. Here how many tens are there children? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 tens 90. 9 tens how much? 90. Here again 9 ones 99. So 90 are strips and 9 ones are blocks. So 99. So I want to add one more to that. So here already I told you na. So here 90 again 10 came. 90 plus 10 or 99 plus 1. So what is that? 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. So after adding all those, how it will become? It will become like this. So 100. 100. After you add all these blocks, strips, it will become like 100. So what is this children? 100. So here once see 1 1 1 1 1 like that is there na. So in one straight 10 ones are there. So see here 10 ones is equal to 110 and next 100 ones is equal to 100. 100 ones. See here total how many blocks are there? 100. 100 blocks are there. Those are called 100 units. So 100 ones is equals to 100. Next, here how many strips are there children? So two colors I used na, yellow and orange. Total how many strips are there? 10 strips are there. That means 10 tens are there. 10 tens is equal to 100. So once again I am telling you 10 ones is equal to 110. 100 ones is equal to 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. So here once see children. What are the one digit numbers? Already I told you na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So among all those and 0 also is there. But we should not count 0 as a counting number. Okay, because 0 means it's nothing. So here what are the one digit numbers? 1 to 9. So in that, which is the smallest digit? 1 to 9. Which is the smallest digit? Smallest means the number of objects are less for that number. So here 1 is the smallest one digit number. So 1 is the smallest one digit number. And what is the greatest one digit number? Between 1 to 9. All are one digit numbers I told you. So 9. 9 is the greatest number. 9 is the greatest one digit number. And now 2 digit numbers. So 1 digit numbers means 1 to 9 are there. And what are the 2 digit numbers? So after 9, if we add 9 to one number, see here. Already I told you na, 9 to 1 if we add, we'll get 10. So here 2 digit numbers are from 10 to 99. 10 to 99 are 2 digit numbers. And which is the smallest 2 digit number? 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. Okay? 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. And what is the greatest 2 digit number? See here, 10, 99 is there na? So all those are 2 digit numbers between 10 to 99. So 99 is the greatest 2 digit number. And 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers. Just now I told, if we add 99 plus 1, what will get? 100. So 3 digit numbers are from 100 to 999. 100 to 999. So smallest 3 digit number is 100. What is the smallest 3 digit number? 100. And what is the greatest 3 digit number? 999. 999. So once again I want to say, smallest one digit number is 1, greatest one digit number is 9, smallest 2 digit number is 10, greatest 2 digit number is 99, smallest 3 digit number is 100, greatest 3 digit number is 999. Understand, children? So our new chapter is numbers up to 999. Already you know 500 numbers in first class. So in this class you are going to learn more numbers, some more numbers, that is up to 999. Just now I told you na, 999 is the greatest 3 digit number. Greatest 3 digit number. Once see here, 100 means it's a clock. See, this is 100, 100, and this is strip, that is 10, and a small box or small dot, that is 1. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, children. Ones, tens, hundreds. Already you learned up to 500 numbers in first class. Now see, children, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here how many hundreds are there here? 500. Okay, 500. And there is no tens. And here 1 ones. That is 501. So in this class you are going to learn from 501 to 999. Okay, children. So first one number I want to give. Any one number, children. 400. What is this number? Once read out. 462. Already you learned this number in first class. 462. So how to write the number name of this? Ones, tens, hundreds. whenever you are going to write the number name, you have to place that like ones, tens, hundreds, compulsory. So how to read that number? First, the highest place value. What is the highest place value here? 4 is in hundreds place. 4 is in hundreds place. So first read this hundreds place value. So 400, and the next one, tens and ones together you have to read out. Together you have to read out like 62. You should not read like 6 tens, 2 ones. You should not read like that. 4 hundreds and tens and ones together 62. 462. You have to read like that. Next, we can represent numbers on abacus. So we can represent the numbers on abacus also. So here for abacus instrument we have strings like this. 3 strings are there. Ones, tens, hundreds. How many place values are there? That many strings will be there on abacus instrument. So here we have 3-digit numbers only in our class. So ones, tens, hundreds. So one number, I want to say any one number. 643. So 643 is there, children. So more than 500 number we are going to learn. So 643. How can we represent this number on abacus? So here 3 strings are there. We should keep the beats according to the place value of the numbers. Okay, children. First we should write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So here ones, tens, hundreds. Left side it should move. So in ones place which number is there? 3 is there. So here keep the 3 bits from down to up. And what is the number in tens place? 4 is there. So in tens place draw the 4 bits from down to up. And which number is there in hundreds place? 6 number is there in hundreds place. So in hundreds place we should draw 6 bits. And all the bits should touch one another. And from down to up you have to draw. Not from up to down, you should not draw. So here the representation of 3-digit number on abacus. Understand, children? Now one more concept we will learn, that is number names. Number names. Number names means what? To represent any number in words or in spellings. That is called number names. Okay? Here, tell me any one number, children. It should be 3-digit and more than 500. Okay? See here. First, I will draw with that pictorial representation. You should tell that number. See, children, here. So here how many hundreds are there? 6. In hundreds place 6 number is there. Ones, tens, hundreds. In hundreds, how many hundreds are there here? 6 hundreds are there. How many tens are there here? 3 tens are there. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. So what is the number here? 634. By using this pictorial representation, we can write the numbers like this And what is the number name for that? So we should write the spelling. So first hundreds place, then tens and ones together. So which number is there in hundreds place? 6. So 600. First letter is the capital letter and write in use it up. 600. HUNDRED 100. 600. Tens and ones together we should write 34. THIRTY 30 and put hyphen 4. FOUR 4. 634. This is the number name of this number. Next, this time I will give the number name to you. You have to write the numeral for that number name. Are you ready, children? So here write numeral. Write numerals for the following number names. Numerals means what? Just now I told you. Numbers. The another name for numbers is numerals. So here one number name I want to give you. Seven hundred 51. 751. So here the number name I gave to you, and what you have to write? You should write the numeral for that. So how to write? 751. So 751. Is that right, children? No, this is wrong, because hundreds means 3-digit number only. Hundreds place value means that is the third number, and all those are 3-digit numbers only. You should not write like this. This is wrong. So how to write? First, put a box with 3 blocks like this, and ones, tens, hundreds. Write the place value. Then it is easy for you. Now 700. So in hundreds place, which number we have to write? 7. In hundreds place we have to write 7. And what is the next one? 51. Already in number names I told you na, tens place and ones place together. Together we should read out and together we should write. So here 51. So in tens and ones together we should write 51. Understand, children? So you should not write like this. 100 means 3 place values should come. 3-digit numbers. 100 means 3-digit numbers. So your answer is 751. Understood, children? Now, thank you, children. We'll meet in the next class.